Scan and Navigate, a step-by-step guide to scanning QR codes for Android.
Hello there. Today, we're going to talk about an essential skill in our digital age, scanning QR codes. Specifically, we're going to discuss the best app for scanning QR codes on an Android device and how you can use it to navigate to a specific location. QR codes have become a staple in our daily lives, offering a quick and easy way to access information or directions just by scanning a code with your phone.
What is the best app to scan QR codes?
While there are several QR code scanner apps available, one of the most reliable and widely used is Google Lens. Why is it the best, you ask? Google Lens is not only a QR code scanner, but it's also an image recognition tool that can identify objects and text, making it a highly versatile tool. Most importantly, it comes pre-installed on most Android devices, making it an easy option without needing to download any additional apps.
How to use Google Lens to scan a QR code?
It's pretty straightforward to use Google Lens for scanning QR codes. 1. Open the Google Lens app on your Android device. If you can't find it, you can access it through the Google Assistant or the Google search bar. 2. Once you're in the app, you will see a viewfinder in the middle of the screen. 3. Point your device's camera towards the QR code you want to scan. 4. The app will automatically recognize the QR code. It will show a clickable link or other relevant information depending on the content of the QR code.
How to use Google Lens to navigate to a specific location?
So, how do you use Google Lens to navigate to a specific location from a QR code? 1. If the scanned QR code contains location information, Google Lens will show you an option to open in Google Maps. 2. By clicking on this, it will open the location in your Google Maps app. 3. From here, you can click on the blue Directions button to navigate to the location. And that's it. You now know how to use Google Lens on your Android device to scan QR codes and use them to navigate to specific locations. Remember, the key is to ensure that your Google Lens app is updated and that you have Google Maps installed on your device for seamless navigation. We hope you found this guide helpful. Happy scanning and safe travels!